spicy.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch back at it again with another video. Today we will be reviewing some more K-beauty products because not only am I a bald-headed bitch, but I'm also a Korea boo.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
So I got this mysterious delivery slip from FedEx and I was like, did I order something? So I took my ass down to FedEx and I picked up this big ass package. And my whole Uber ride, I'm trying to guess what is in this thing. Did I finally order some self-respect? I get home, open the package, and it's the entire Pony Mac collection.
Oh my god, you guys, look what just came in the mail. I had no idea that this was coming. They sent me the whole collection in this big ass box. Look at that.
So I knew I had to feature this on the channel ASAP. Some of you may or may not know this, but Pony is near and dear to my heart because the most viewed video on my channel features me following her makeup tutorial. Now Pony is the queen of K-beauty, so she doesn't need any publicity from a mere peasant like me. But I'm not a multi-millionaire with my own makeup line, so you guys better watch the ads on this video. Anyway, the collection comes with 9 lipsticks and 1 lip gloss, a palette with 8 eyeshadows, Pony's own Prep and Prime Fix Plus, 2 highlighters, 2 makeup brushes, and a pair of lashes. This is the whitest highlighter I have ever seen. I can't wait to put it on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my base makeup. I'm gonna be taking my No Problem primer from Touch in Soul. I feel like this is gonna be my go-to primer for, you know, the fall, winter months, because fall and winter I love being matte. Oh man, smooth. Next I'm applying my NARS Stick Foundation. And now I'm applying my concealer from Too Faced. This is in the color Maple. So this is our beautiful 8-pan palette, and let me tell you guys, I'm kind of impressed. Before I've even swatched it, it actually seems like all of these colors could work on me. Except maybe this one over here, I don't know about her. But all the rest seem pretty good. Ooh, velvety soft. That pigment though, so pigmented. So to start off the eye look, I'm gonna be using this color right here. Ah yes, beautiful base color. This is a really nice shade. The only thing is that it's kind of a lot of fallout, but that's okay. I'm not really the kind of person that minds fallout, but you know, some people do, so I'm just warning you. Next, I'm gonna smoke out this eye look using the brown.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Make sure you tap off the excess. Yeah. The brown isn't as dark as I would like, so I do have to build it up a bit, but it's still cute though. Then for shimmer, I'm gonna be taking this shade right over here and applying that to the lid. Oh yeah. I feel like we could use a bit more sparkle, so I'm gonna take this flat brush and the Fix Plus from Pony Girl and this should make it pack a little bit more punch. There we go. To intensify this look, we're gonna put on a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to attempt to put on these lashes that were also provided in the collection. God help me. I have many skills, I believe, but putting on lashes is not one of them. Okay guys, here we go. Oh god. Oh. Huh, these are actually kind of cute. Honestly, they look kind of ugly in the box, but it turned out they were kind of cute, kind of like me.
Bitch, is you blind?
Okay, so now I want to try out the lipsticks. So, according to the description, they're supposed to be a soft matte finish and a weightless formula. So this is the color One Hit. Ooh. Oh, damn, look at that. I think this is the one I'm gonna wear, but we'll see. This is the color Cordon Bleu. Okay, yeah, so these are definitely like lip tints and not lipsticks. Definitely not what MAC usually does. Still getting a lot of pigment, but it's a very like soft texture. If you guys are familiar with K-Beauty lipsticks and lip tints, very much like that. And as you can see, it's dried down to a very soft matte. I'm liking this. Next we have my better half. This is like a nice corally pink. Oh. This one is called Beck and Call. This one is a purpley shade, but oh, whoa, okay. Yeah, that's actually a purpley shade. I was not expecting that to actually be purple. Pony, you full of surprises. I like that. My wrist is starting to hurt. But the next one is called Off the Record. This is a nice fall vampy color. It's like a rich berry. Really should have bought some makeup wipes. This one is called Love is Blind. And it'll take over your mind. Really showing my age with that one. Okay, this is like a kind of fuchsia pink color. And then this is a super bright pink called Privacy Please. Oh yeah, that is Barbie pink. With this lighter color, I had to apply more product because it didn't show up as well. But if you want to look like Malibu Barbie, this color is for you. And then now we're into the really dark colors. So this is Moot Point. Oh, okay, this is, ooh, oh, girl. Ooh, wait till you see this one. Oh, she snapped. Look at that. Oh my god. That is a perfect fall color. I'm gonna be wearing this all fall. You can catch me in this color, Moot Point. And then the darkest color in the collection is this dark purple called Stone's Throw. Where did she come up with these names? It's a very rich dark purple, perfect for fall. And then of course we have the lip gloss. So the lip gloss is called Plenty of Pout. And looks to just be a pretty standard looking, oh yeah. I mean, you can't really see anything because it's like a kind of a clear lip gloss. Just feeling the texture of it. Does feel a little sticky. I don't know about the stickiness, guys. But I think I'm gonna try it on after I put on the lipstick. So I'm gonna start off with lining my lips. I'm gonna take the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I'm going for a very brown look today, guys. If you didn't notice, are you proud of me? I didn't use pink. Are you proud of me? And I'm gonna use the color One Hit. Already the formula feels really smooth on my very dry, dehydrated lips. Because it's more of a lip tint, it's taking quite a few applications to actually like get some pigment. Also, this is one of the lighter colors, so that tends to happen with lighter colors too. Okay, and I'm gonna put some of the lip gloss on top. My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss should pop it. Uh-oh, it's one of those lip glosses. It's starting to burn. Oh god, my lips are gonna be so big. Now we're gonna put on the white highlighter of my dreams. This is in the color Cold Comfort. Hold on. She actually kind of cute. Whoa. Oh. She's a little bit feisty.
Yo, honey, let's do it. Ride it, my pony. Come and jump on it.
Oh, big ass forehead. So in conclusion, lashes, bomb, eyeshadow, bomb, highlighter, bomb, lipstick, bomb, lip gloss, bomb. I like the whole collection. Pony, please don't copyright this video. I need to pay my rent. How will I pay for my Popeye's chicken sandwiches? My lips are burning, but they're plump though. Look at that. Seriously though, you guys should actually pick up this collection, I think. this makeup look turned out pretty good. I just don't think that this shirt really goes with the look, so we're gonna have to change the shirt. BRB. Okay, now this is a look. I think my favorite thing out of the collection was the lips. I really enjoy the texture of the lipsticks. They feel really nice and smooth on your lips. And they come in a good variety of shades, so there's a little bit there for everybody. The super white highlighter was surprisingly cute, and I do like the eyeshadow palette, but I don't think it's like an absolute must to get just because the colors are so basic. But if you want a basic palette or you're just starting out in makeup, pick this up. Pretty good collection overall. You go, pony girl. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because listen, 72,000 people subscribed to my channel in the last month. Do you really not want to be one of those people? I didn't think so. So thanks for watching, guys. Here are some more Korean beauty reviews if you guys are interested. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love ya so much. Bye!